In order to create a rippling API key, click on the settings and then company settings option here. This will take us to the company settings section. Then click on the API access section. Here we can see that there is an option to create an API key here. So click on the API key here, describe this API key with any random string, and then click the scopes which are needed. For this I'm selecting all the scopes. Then click on the create button. This will successfully generate an API key, and then make sure to copy it and save the API key in your local file. Now close this section here and then move to the Bindbee navigation page, where we can see like this as the data that is being accessed here, and then click on allow and continue. Now click on the API key that is generated and then paste it here, and then you can see like the connection has been successfully established.